I'm going to show you how to do a running stitch. So a running stitch or a single line is used to repair seams that might have come apart. So this is a back stitch that we're going to learn how to do. So I've got my thread knotted. I'm going to introduce it from behind where I can see, and because this is a back stitch, every stitch I make goes back on itself. So a stitch there and then another stitch in front, another stitch to meet that first one, and then another one and another, and I would continue with that. And because I've got a line that I can imagine with my needle, hopefully that gives me a straight line. You can rule a straight line with a pencil, or I wouldn't choose a pen, that's permanent, but a pencil may be okay. And you would carry on doing that, and on the other side, that's what the back side looks like. So the neater it is, the more the back and the front look like one another. So you can see mine's not so neat. And to finish off, you would do a couple more stitches on top of one another, and then put a knot in there. And this type of a back stitch can take, you can use it for as long as you want, and then the good thing about it is that you get good strength from that. So if you were just to do up down running stitch in one direction, you wouldn't get that level of strength. So that gives you a good way of closing off seams that have come undone.